Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. This is your free video for Thursday, May 26th. So thanks to somebody in my trading room for pointing this one out today. Nvidia has been falling for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Okay, today's an inside bar, but you can see this pattern starting with yesterday, well actually on the 26th, into the 27th, and then today, the 28th. This is an inverted head and shoulders pattern. See the bullish divergence? Now we're still bearish on the daily, but we're starting to make a turn. Now, one thing he pointed out, and I really appreciate it, this is a pennant. The market's breaking out of the pennant here. Also breaking out of the high from this consolidation area. These are now higher highs. Our first target is 214. The next target is 215. If this thing starts to turn this hourly drop into a reversal, we are looking for a move at least to 220 because there's some pivot lows back here, 220, and then the MQ trend outs on the hourly, 221.84, and then all the way up to a 50% retracement at 222 and 3/4. Okay, then there's a pretty good setup, and it's actually a very good example of how to turn a daily trend, which is still bearish, into a reversal pattern here on the hourly, and then a consolidation and a breakout on the small time frame can lead you into a very good potential trade. Okay, be careful trading Nvidia. It is starting to make a turn.